To ask someone's age, you say, Jean nu how. How old are you? Jean nu how. If you want to ask how old is he, it's Jean nu hai. Jean nu hai. And how old is she? Jean nu hai. Jean nu hai. To ask someone else's age, it's Jean nu ha, followed by the person you're asking about. What age is? Jean nu ha. For example, Jean nu ha de vach. How old is your son? Jean nu ha de vach. When talking about age, we use the phrase bliana aois, meaning years of age. Bliana aois. So, to answer our previous question, Jean nu ha de vach. If he's 5 years old, ha ma vach coig bliana aois. My son is 5 years old. Ha ma vach coig bliana aois. Now, if someone asked how old you are, if you're quite young, you can answer by saying, Ha me trichet bliana aois. I'm 30 years old. Ha me trichet bliana aois. We're following the modern system of counting, and here are some of the numbers. Fichet, 20. Fichet. Keret, 40. Keret. And shesket, 60. Shesket. We've only looked at a small number of examples, but if you go to our website, you'll find lots more information about age and numbers and how to use them.